Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Welcome back to the channel. It's always a pleasure to have you here. If you love quick and easy recipes, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our weekly delights. We have so many exciting recipes lined up just for you. Today, I've got a treat for you, a super easy and refreshing recipe for fresh mango juice that you can whip up in just 3 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, just 3 minutes. Let's dive right in. I promise this is going to be fun and incredibly simple. First things first, let's go over the ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe mangoes. Make sure they are nice and ripe for the best flavor. 1 cup of cold water. This will help in blending and give the juice a smooth texture. 1 tablespoon of sugar, optional. If you like your juice a bit sweeter, this is for you. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice, about 1 teaspoon. This adds a lovely zing to the juice. A handful of ice cubes. This will make your juice refreshingly cool. Got all that? Great. Now let's get started. Now here's how you make it. It's super simple and quick. Step 1. Peel and chop those juicy mangoes. You want to make sure they're nice and ripe for the best flavor. The riper the mango, the sweeter and more flavorful your juice will be. Just cut around the pit and get all that delicious flesh into your blender. Make sure to get every bit of that juicy goodness. Step 2. Pour in the cold water. This helps with blending and gives the juice a nice, smooth texture. It also makes the juice more refreshing. Step 3. If you like your juice a bit sweeter, add that tablespoon of sugar. This part is totally optional. It all depends on your taste. Some people prefer their juice without any added sugar, while others like it a bit sweeter. I usually skip it, but you do you. It's all about personal preference. Step 4. Squeeze in the fresh lemon juice. This adds a lovely zing and really brightens up the flavor. It gives the juice a nice, tangy kick. Step 5. Toss in a handful of ice cubes. This will make your juice refreshingly cool and ready to enjoy right away. Perfect for those hot summer days. Alright, now blend everything together until smooth. This should take about 30 seconds to a minute, depending on your blender. You want to make sure everything is well blended and smooth. Look at that gorgeous color, isn't it just beautiful? Now here's a little pro tip. If you want an extra silky texture, you can strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve to catch any pulp. This step is optional but highly recommended for a smoother juice. Personally, I like the pulp. It gives the juice a bit more body. But if you prefer a smoother texture, go ahead and strain it, and there you have it. Your fresh mango juice is ready to be savored. Just pour it into a glass and enjoy. Perfect for a hot day, or whenever you need a little tropical pick-me-up. It's like a mini vacation in a glass. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy recipes every week. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, happy cooking. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes.